Good morning. It's renovation o'clock. I'm changing my yellow background to something more pleasant to the eyes. Hi, hello, and Happy New Year. My name is Emmanuella, and you're welcome to my channel, Youngnaijamum. On here, I talk about my faith, my family, and my lifestyle as a young lady living in Lagos, Nigeria. Please click the red subscribe button and the bell button right beside it, just so you get to know next time I put up a video. Today, I'll be showing you, or rather telling you, how I installed the wallpaper right behind me. First things first, here are the magic tools you're going to be needing to replicate this process. Wallpaper of choice, tape rule, scissors, gum, which could be either a bow stick or normal shoe gum. I actually got both, and I didn't know which will be more effective or most efficient. But then I realized that both of them work just fine. Although you might need to get a larger quantity of top bond or a wood stick if you'll be using that. Also, I got a wall scraper, which was actually missing at the time I did the wallpaper installation. But I substituted with a radio thing that had flat edges and also served the purpose. At the time I got the wallpaper, I only got a single roll of wallpaper. However, when I did the measurements of my wall, I realized that that single roll wouldn't be sufficient if I were to use the single roll for the whole of my wall length. At first, I measured my wall length and I found it out to be 110 inches. But then, by the time I did the revisions, I could only find 3 strips of the wallpaper that wouldn't be sufficient for my wall space, and it wouldn't even be up to half of the wall space I used for my videos. And so what I did was to look for the most appropriate or the most acceptable length which will still do the job, and I'll get away with it without anybody knowing that I didn't do the wallpaper for the full length of my wall. Eventually, I used about I measured 80 inches per piece of the wallpaper. The breadth of the wallpaper was about 21 inches, and I accommodated, I accounted for about 1 inch overlap allowance, which means I had to have a minimum of 20 inches divided in 5 or 6 places. But with my 80 inches division, I ended up with having at least 6 pieces of my wallpaper, and that was more than enough for my video space. However, if you want to do a full-blown a full wall coverage pass for the entire length of your room, you might need to get at least 2 wallpapers. But of course, if you are going to get this, I will advise you, of course, you get similar or at least the same wallpaper from the get-go. I didn't want to risk that because I got my wallpaper a long while back, way before I did the installation, and I didn't know if I would still be able to get the same wallpaper by the time I go back to the market. My division worked just fine for me. I used 80 inches divided into 6 places of that same wallpaper, and it was wonderful. Behold the beauty of my new bag. before shooting this video, some days before shooting the video, I lost the footage of my actual installation of the wallpaper. If not, I would have shown you much more what I'm talking about, but I hope you get the gist from this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button below. This will show me that you like it, and I'll be able to do similar videos next time. So also, if you are new here, please click the red subscribe button before you leaving, and if you know of someone that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.